because what we're really selling on a sales call is your prospect getting over themselves. And so I need to know getting over what? Well, probably getting over the fact that he's a little bit neurotic. The final thing, and this is something I learned from my underground mentor very early on, is typically the challenges that you have with your prospects, whether you're a closer or an offer owner, is a reflection of how you are showing up. My mentor taught me how you show up when it comes time for you to buy is how the prospects in your life will show up. So this guy said he's getting a bunch of prospects that are looking for freebies but not taking the next step. I would not be surprised if this guy's challenge at the end of the call is him thinking the price is too high, he's not sure if he needs help, anything that is consistent with how he's attracting those types of prospects in his life. Now, if you're a closer and you're getting prospects that are not turning up to your calls, not taking action, making fucking excuses, the likelihood is that is exactly how you're showing up. For example, you know you should be on the inside of the mastermind. You're still sitting on the outside making excuses, procrastinating, saying I'll do it when it's a little bit more comfortable and I have more money, which is exactly what your prospects say.
Okay, makes sense. So nobody's converting from any of the outbound or from the content itself, and the people that are expressing interest aren't even qualified in the first place. Is that accurate?
Yes.
Not inaccurate, but I'd never, ever, ever want to change the wording that a prospect gives. Number one, because you could get it wrong, and most people are polite. They won't say you got it wrong. They'll just say, yeah, that's correct. Number two, I want to use the prospect's words because that brings the pain back to him that it was his words. So I would be talking about the freebies and engagement. I wouldn't be changing the language.
Yeah. All of my, well, I'd probably say last month, all of my, but all just warm leads anyway from like referrals or people I've been talking to over the last couple of months. And it's really good for referrals, but then it's like, right, how do we get to that next level? How do we hit them 20, 30, 40K months consistently with organic leads coming through from short form content?
Makes sense. So to start, since we mentioned a couple of things between the engagement, the conversion, I know you brought up the outbound and the referrals. You said the engagement isn't high. What kind of engagement are you getting per video right now?
See how I'd prefer to clarify that we're both talking about the same thing regarding to engagement first.
In regards to views and likes and stuff.
See, views and likes. Even the prospect is like, well, I need to check what you're checking. The problem with what's just happened now, the prospect feels like he's the one in charge because he had to double check what the closer's saying. You never want to be the person where the prospect is having to check with you. You want to be checking the prospect. That is frame control. You're the leader and they're following you. So not a good thing here that the closer lost a bit of the presumption from the prospect that he is a leader, he's on the ball. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.